Hello guys, today I'm gonna bring you one of new explorer video. Explorer video means we are in now in one of plant room. So we don't know that plant room what is that and what is inside the plant room. So just we visit one of plant room and we gonna explore this all the machines. Many machines are available in this place. Like I can figure out one, I can notice one is boiler. In another machines I don't know what is there. So I have with me here is one of expert technician, Mr. Zubair. He's the one going to explain this machines, what is happening, how they are using, and brand, whatever it is. So we'll see. Mr. Zubair, can you come and explain?
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guys, hopeful you will find. So here we are sitting in plant room. We are capturing the video from Russell Khema, UAE. So plant room, here we are sitting in plant room. So if you want to ask some question,
Yeah.
then I will try to answer them.
Okay. So I hope this machine is focused, right? Capturing.
Yes,
video.
yes.
Okay. What is this? I can also read this one with boiler one.
This is we call this boiler, steam boiler.
Okay.
So because we are producing the steam, so that's why we call it steam boiler. So
Steam
here
boiler.
we have the boiler is called fire tube boiler.
Okay.
Inside we have water and tube.
Okay.
We are using the water. We are using the tubes. We are using the fire for
You
heating
can,
the
you
water.
can tell them.
For heating the water. So
Okay.
that's why when the water will heat, it becomes steam, and we will use the steam in different process. As you know, we are using the steam in laundry. Here we are using the steam in laundry. So we have the boiler brand name 4-base Marshall, and its capacity is 6 ton. 6 ton means 6,300 kg per hour, kg per centimeter square. So here we have the hydro test of this boiler is 16 bar. So usually we are using the steam in laundry in around 10 bar. So we don't need any more like 16 bar. So we are using only the 10 bar.
So,
Here, yes.
so which means this boiler that you producing to one of laundry.
Yes.
Which means around this place there is laundry.
Yes.
Okay. So all the whatever laundry needs, the boiler, heat, yeah, something, everything is going from this place.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
I little bit clear about boiler.
Okay.
So what is the capacity of this?
Capacity I already told that the capacity is 6,300 per kg
Okay,
centimeter square.
300.
Yes.
So which means I did not
no problem. No
recognize
problem.
you.
No problem. No problem. So we will inshallah try to show you some more things in plant room. Here we have lot of things. So inshallah I will request to Mr. Faisal that coordinate with us, and we will show you some another thing.
So,
please.
I'm gonna be a cameraman for Mr. Zubair. So I'm going behind the camera. Let's see how he will explain about the all the things.
Okay, okay.
So Mr.
Let's
Zubair,
come-
can you come also?
Yes,
What
no
is
problem.
this?
No problem.
Because I don't know that. Yeah, what
This
is the
only
machine?
the display. We
Uh-huh.
can see the temperature of the steam. We can see the pressure of the steam. Only for displaying, not controlling.
Just displaying
Just
only.
displaying.
Whatever the
Yes,
steam
yes.
is,
What is
current
going in the
steam,
plant room? Yes.
current temperature, it's showing it.
Yes, yes. Only
For
display.
example, maybe I don't know I'm right or wrong. Can
Okay.
you
Okay,
correct
no
me? Like if you on now boiler, it become more heat.
Yes.
Then after a couple of maybe after a half an hour, after 1 hour, if you switch off it, that steam is still there.
Yes.
Maybe for example 82 is getting reducing 70, 60, 50. So
Yes.
it will show there.
Yes, it will show. Also the
Okay.
temperature, also the pressure,
Uh-huh.
and also the consumption also.
Uh-huh.
Only for display, not for control. So for controlling system we have in the
Okay.
boiler.
Okay.
So as you can see,
So what is why you wrote that danger zone there?
what sorry?
Danger zone is there.
Danger
Danger
means
sticker.
the 440 volt. It's electricity danger only.
Okay.
So please for danger means the for electricity. Please away from.
Be
it,
aware.
away from
Okay.
it.
For attention only.
For attention.
Okay. Let's go also that part.
Okay. Okay.
So.
So just come with me. I will show you some more things.
Okay. So I have okay.
Here, just focus the camera.
Hmm.
Here we have the steam header.
What is the what to call their name?
Steam header.
Steam header.
Because
Okay.
all the steam from the boiler will come here,
Okay.
and it will distribute in the different parts.
Okay.
So here we have to start its steam. You can see that this is coming from boiler and this is coming from also boiler. We are just controlling the steam from the valve and this is going to somewhere. So this steam header and
You
I
can
just
see
told
also guys the name of this steam header. So Mr. Zubair, as per his explanation, what he is telling, maybe I know that you understand. This is the part of the distributing all the heat, right?
yes, controlling the steam.
Controlling, yes.
So here,
So
guys,
what
you-
is, yeah.
here guys you can see the feed water tank because we are feeding the water into the boiler and we have the 4 pumps for the boiler. Two is for one boiler and other 2 is for other boiler. So only
Okay.
for feeding the water. Here you can see here we are using the chemical for the treatment of water. Here we have the lot of problem with water. So that's why we treat the water because it is very dangerous for boiler without treatment. So we will treat the boiler and then we are feeding to the boiler.
Which means you doing cleaning
Yes.
before.
Purify the water, it's mean.
Okay.
So because it is very risky when we put direct water to the boiler. First we have to
Should be clean.
should be clean from the different process. We have the softener for removing some hardness,
Okay.
removing iron,
Okay.
whatever you can say. And we are using the chemical means Diverguard, caustic soda for increasing the pH, for decreasing the acidity. So and another is Diverguard. Diverguard means for removing of scaling, oxygen, whatever you can say.
Okay.
So here we will show you some another thing.
Good
Just-
explanation about this.
Thank you so much.
So, which means we have one more boiler here
Yes.
over here.
So I'm thinking why we need this one because we have the one boiler.
Yeah.
So we know for the backup. We
For the
install
backup,
This one. For the
okay.
If suddenly something happened to our operational boiler, then it will make a problem.
Yeah.
So that's why we need a backup
Okay.
for any emergency or for any troubleshooting. We will on this one.
Okay.
So it is
Okay.
fully controlled. Fully controlled means
Which
we are
means
using-
one is just for back.
Yes, just for backup,
Okay.
not for any load. So here we are using the primary source as a diesel. It is running on diesel and LPG also.
LPG gas
Yes,
and
LPG
diesel.
gas also. So we are using here now only LPG
Mm-hmm.
because the cost. If we use the diesel, then it will good. But regarding to cost, we are using LPG.
LPG is less cost, I
LPG
think.
is less cost.
Okay, that's why you're using LPG only.
Yes, yes. So here you can see all the equipments attached to the boiler.
Okay.
I will short introduce you. So here we have the steam solenoid valve. Here we have the sensor, pressure switch. It is called blower. And inside inside the boiler it have the furnace.
Furnace.
Furnace means where the fire will become higher
Okay.
and sparking. So here you can see the controller, the brain of the boiler. It's called the brain of the boiler.
This is the main part of
Main
boiler.
part of the boiler. It is the brain of the boiler.
Like
This
the
is-
engine.
Yes. It is only connector.
Okay.
And this is pressure switch.
Okay.
And this is also solenoid valve. And this is also gas regulator valve for controlling the gas. It is also called the pressure switch. And here we have the LPG main inlet line.
Inlet line.
Yes. And here we have
That is very protectable. Huh?
yes. Here we have the backup source like diesel. You can say diesel.
So these are the parts of boiler.
Yes, not the parts of the boiler. Here we have also the parts of the boiler regarding to its safety. So here you can see the level of boiler, the water level of boiler. Sorry. So we can see easily the level of the water. So here we have some memory. You call memory. Memory means the inside we have the memory. You can say float switch, and when the water level become low, it will make an alarm. Attention, please, the water is low.
Okay.
So please just switch off, or maybe you can easily access to the boiler that there
So
is
you are the
something
one
happening.
going to fill it.
Yes,
You are the one going to fill the boiler.
yes, yes,
When it is water low there.
yes. So just come, we will show you some another thing.
Okay. I can see one of comp air. What is this?
This is compressor.
Okay.
Compressor means it is producing the air.
It is produced the air.
Yes, it is producing the air as you are using in the laundry air.
Uh-huh.
If you need air, then we will install the compressor. One compressor is operational and another one is for backup.
Okay. Which means one machine is standby
Yes,
for
one
your
machine is-
everything.
Yes, everything.
Like as
we have standby.
like same like a boiler.
Yes, we should
one
have
boiler
the-
is running and other one is standby.
Yes, we
When
should
there
have-
is any issue comes, you gonna start it.
Yes, yes.
The
We
same
don't
thing.
want, because we don't want any trouble. So that's why we should have the backup.
Okay. So
Every
which
time.
means which one you are using that
Only
air?
this compressor number
Running
1.
now.
Yes, is
Okay.
operational now.
Okay,
So
fine.
here behind me you can see
Yeah.
the big drum. You can say we call it's chlorifier.
Chlorifier.
Yes,
What is that? What is the meaning of that?
means for heating of water.
Heating of water.
Water.
It will support to boiler or what?
As we are heating the water with steam.
With steam.
Water is making steam, and then it will go to the chlorifier.
Okay.
Then the water will become hot with the steam.
Okay.
Understand?
So this place only that water
Yes.
is here.
Water is here, and from the heating source. we are
Boiler
using the
just
steam.
giving heat in and steam.
Yes.
But water should be here only.
Water every time it will.
Be here only.
Yes.
For not be there.
No, no, no.
Okay. See, until now, I thought water is there. No. Which means I am wrong.
No, no, no. You are good. So let's come, and we will show you some another.
No, I
thing.
mean I need to clarify that one.
Okay.
So water we cannot pure on the boiler, right?
No, no, no. We have the water. This is for separate.
This is for separate.
Yes, because we are using in the, you can say, in washrooms heater, in washing machines. We are, if we need the hot water,
Hmm.
then we will use the chlorifier. And
Okay.
for the hot water,
Ah.
we will use the steam.
Normally that as per you say that you have one of big laundry around this place.
Yes, yes.
The same thing maybe accommodation also here.
Yes, because only for the laundry, we are using these plant rooms.
This plant room, yeah.
So let's come.
Oh yeah.
These are the pumps. We
Okay.
call this booster pump.
Booster pump.
Booster pump.
Okay.
So we are making the high pressure in the water line, only for cold water line. And this water is going in central laundry and kitchen, accommodation, everywhere.
okay.
So just only for booster pump, for boosting the water. Okay. So here we have 2 ear dryer.
What is this?
Ear dryer.
Air dryer.
means yes for drying of ear. So usually when the air comes from the compressor, it is hot.
Hmm.
It is hot. So for the cooling process, we will install this one.
Okay.
For cooling process, we will install this one, and you can see this filter for removing of oil and water something. If we want the fresh air, then we will install the filter.
Okay. So this is the view of our plant room, right?
Yes.
It's very big, man.
Yes.
You guys can see as per Mr. Zubair explained that chlorifier. What is the name of this machine? This tank?
Chlorifier.
Chlorifier. There is two, right?
Yes. One for backup.
One is backup. Everything is one extra for standby.
Yes.
So which one is using chlorifier? This or this?
This one.
Running one?
This one is operational.
Okay.
Both of are operational, but this one we are using now.
Okay, guys.
Another one is for
Yeah,
backup.
you can see that this is one of big plant room. As per Mr. Zubair, his explanation, he is telling that there is one of a big laundry, all the production, all the needs going from here only, like steam, air, whatever it is, which one is need for laundry. So you can see. Let's go there. So I just want to capture all your boiler. So this boiler is very big. See, look at the size of this. Just check it
Man
out.
control panel. Here we have
Yes.
the man control panel.
Shall we go there?
Yes, no problem. Why not?
Yeah. Here we. What is the boiler control panel? Yeah.
Boiler control panel. So here I can show you short something.
Hmm.
Here for the controlling of water.
Okay.
Here for the controlling of pump.
Okay.
For emergency switch, if any emergency, then we will press this one. The boiler will shut off.
If any emergency like fire or something.
Every emergency, if something happens, then you will close from this one. Emergency stops.
Okay.
This is for reset.
Reset. Okay.
When the alarm will come, then you can reset from here. This is the level of water.
Level of water.
Yes.
That 5 0.0.
56.1.
Okay,
Means this the
56 point.
percentage from the 100.
Okay.
Okay.
Which
So-
means in this boiler now there is water, right?
Yes, there is water now, 56%.
Okay.
So here we have the only the indicators you can see. The boiler mid fire operation, high fire operation. It is red phase, yellow phase, blue phase.
Okay, whatever.
Only
it
the
is.
controlling.
So I hope the video is very clear, guys. As per Mr. Zubair, his explanation was good. One of big plant room. I just came for explore one of about this room. This is just explore video only for our experience. This is behind the boiler. One of very huge boiler, this one. You can see from here. This they are running boiler one. And here we have one of another machine. Can you explain about this machine?
Yes.
What is this?
This is salt tank.
Salt tank.
Salt tank.
Okay.
So here we have the two softener
Uh-huh.
for treatment of water.
Treatment of water.
Treatment of water, for purifying of water, for removing hardness,
Okay.
for more clarifying.
Okay.
So we are using the softener. So as you know, I already told that this is salt tank. So it is getting salt. Softener is getting salt from here
Uh-huh.
for removing the oxygen.
Oxygen. Okay.
Means it is removing the positive ions and it is giving the negative ions to the feed tank.
Okay.
And then we are purify the water.
Yeah, which
So-
means you cleaning it.
Yes, we are cleaning from the
So
impurities.
for this, from where you get in?
Which one?
Before you purify the water, from you taking water, from where?
We are getting from the government.
Okay, which means you have one of a big tank
Yes,
outside.
here we have the liner you can see.
Uh-huh.
So it is not good, it is not good in good condition. So that's why we need to purify this.
Okay, okay, okay. Here we, guys, you can see that pipeline. So as Mr. Zubair mentioned that they have one of big tank outside of plant room. From there only they are getting water for this plant room, so which they are using for boiler.
So we have the too much chloride in this water.
Uh-huh. Chloride.
Chloride. So it is not good for the water.
Okay.
So that's why we need to clarify it. We need to impure it.
Okay.
Because you know inside the water there are too much impurities.
Okay.
So that's why we are installing something like using chemicals and installing of software only for treatment of water.
Okay, okay, okay.
So it will not damage our boiler. So that's why we are using.
I am getting one of question.
Okay.
I want to raise up one question. What is this? Guys,
one
you
is-
can see one of big tank looks
This
like.
one is feed tank.
Sorry?
Feed tank. Feed tank.
Feed tank means?
Inside here the water
Okay.
for the feeding of both two boilers.
Okay.
For feeding means injection of water inside the boiler. We are using the feed tank.
Okay.
Inside we have the water only.
That's good.
Yes.
So I hope, guys, you can see also many valve here. See, many valve over here, also machines over here. I think I'm going to finish this video because it's too long. Almost 18 minutes, sorry. So thank you so much, Mr. Zubair. I will also very appreciate about your explanation, for your support.
I just try.
Yeah, thank you so much for that.
Okay.
And this is one of nice experience for me. One of big plant room.
And this is also for my first time we are making the video.
Okay, thank you so much.
That's why.
And shall we go there and we will finish we want to finish the video.
Sure, sure.
I just want to capture also. So you told me that water, which I mean that after purify,
Yes.
you direct pouring it here,
Yes.
transferring here,
Yes.
right?
Yes, right.
Okay. Then after that, it will go to that machine, that behind one.
No, it will go the steam inside the glorifier.
Steam, yeah.
Yes. Not water.
Okay. Water is here
Water,
only.
every time water will remain water.
Water will be here only.
Yes.
That steam coming from there.
Yes.
Okay. I hope, guys, you understand also. So please subscribe my channel, and I need your support to bring one more videos. These are the full capture of plant room, which is very huge plant room. Okay, Mr. Zubair,
Yes.
thank you so much for that. Can you say about something our channel?
Yes, please subscribe our channel,
Yeah.
BSL Lanka Diary.
Thank you so much for that.
Inshallah,
You will still
inshallah.
remember the name of that.
Yes, yes.
So
inshallah.
guys, I hope maybe the video is clear. I hope you understand. This is one of explorer video, different video I plan to bring. Maybe like travel video, investigation, like beach video, climbing mountain. In future we will bring also more videos.
Yes.
So thank you so much. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. And you are the one just need to promote our channel so we can achieve the reach, right?
Yes. And don't remember to press the bell icon.
Thank you so much.
Okay, okay. So inshallah, take care of yourself. Inshallah, we will meet you with another new video.
Yeah,
Inshallah.
new production.
Inshallah, inshallah.
Let's see.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Goodbye.